Looking for a spacious and well-priced one-story home in Central Florida? I may have the one for you. Not only is this home priced well at $384,000, but the owner is offering $15,000 in concessions with approved purchase price. Buyers can use the $15,000 toward closing costs, prepaids like insurance and taxes, and or to buy down the interest rate, making your monthly payment less than a home price well below this price point. Hello, I'm Rebekah Hawthorne, your trusted St. Cloud, Florida realtor, and I want to share my listing at 2196 Bur Oak Blvd in St. Cloud, Florida. Let me tell you more about this wonderful home. Welcome home to a spacious and charming 3-bedroom home with den in St. Cloud's Live Oak Lake community. This beautiful property with well over 2,100 square feet sits on a corner lot in a serene St. Cloud neighborhood. This home was built in 2019 and is move-in ready. This spacious residence features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It also has a den that could be used as a 4th bedroom, so it's perfect for growing families or just those who love extra space. Enjoy the modern kitchen with ample cabinetry, bright natural light, stone counters, and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen has a large island that overlooks the spacious living room and dining room, making the space ideal for entertaining and gatherings. The master suite offers a private retreat with a full ensuite bath and walk-in closet. The closet includes organizers. Step outside to a screen-in covered back porch so you can enjoy the beautiful Florida weather year-round. The backyard is fully fenced, providing a safe space. Let's check out this beautiful property. Not only is this home priced well, it is in a desirable neighborhood of Live Oak Lake. You will enjoy a peaceful neighborhood vibe while still being only 13 miles from Lake Nona Medical City, about 20 miles from the popular Orlando International Airport, and it's only about an hour away from East Coast beaches. Furthermore, the community includes the following amenities: resort-style pool, playground, fitness center, and park, all for a low HOA payment of $112 a month. Plus, there's no CDD, so no extra fee added to your property taxes, like most newer communities have. Let's check out the amenities that Live Oak Lake has to offer. If you're looking for a spacious layout, perfect for entertaining, a great location, affordable price, plus flexibility to use concessions to make this property your home, give me a call. My contact information is found in the description box below. helping you live the Florida good life the smart way. I'll see you in the next video.